Talk to 10 Agile coaches. Get 15 opinions. This is not an exaggeration. It is a census. The Agile Transformation Lead is the person responsible for managing Agile coaches, which is worse than herding cats. It is worse than herding cats, because cats do not have strong opinions about what a cat is. The role appeared when organizations discovered that Agile coaches, left to their own devices, will coach in 17 different directions simultaneously. Someone had to align the coaches. That someone needed a title. The title needed to sound more senior than coach, but less threatening than manager, because you cannot manage Agile coaches. You can only facilitate their self-organization, which means manage them, but never use that word. The role currently exists under 23 different job titles: Head of Agile, VP of Agile Transformation, Chief Agility Officer, Ways of Working Lead, Agility Enabler, and, briefly at one Fortune 500, Chief Awesomeness Facilitator. The title is the only thing that transforms more often than the organization. Here is the 15 opinions problem in practice. Ask your coaching team, how long should a sprint be? 2 weeks, 3 weeks, no sprints, depends on the team, depends on the work, 1 week but only for the first 3 months. Should we use story points? Yes, no. T-shirt sizes, flow metrics, cycle time only, story points but rename them. The transformation lead must synthesize this into one coherent strategy, implement it with people who disagree with it on principle, and then run a retrospective about why the implementation isn't working, facilitated by the very coaches who disagreed with it, who will use the retrospective to propose their original opinion again. And here is the irony. These are people whose entire professional expertise is helping teams collaborate and self-organize. They have each facilitated hundreds of sessions on psychological safety and working agreements. They can draw the Tuckman model with their eyes closed. The theory does not survive contact with a room full of coaches, because every coach is simultaneously a player and a referee. Every disagreement is also a facilitation opportunity. The storming phase does not end. It becomes the culture. The work is the organizational equivalent of being a marriage counselor for a polyamorous commune where everyone has a PhD in relationships.